guys, and in today's video we're going to be showing you on how to get lantern jingles. So first what you want to do is you want to come over here. And now that you're at this giant tree, what you want to do is that you want to come over here. Climb this wall. Oh, messed that up. You want to climb this wall. I keep messing up. Alright, that's my bad. I'm sorry, guys. I can do it this time. I hope. Come on. Yeah, there we go. So, don't feel like me. And you want to come over here. And you want to have the glider wings first. Drive off of here. Enable your boost. And come right up here. And once you come over here, you can come over here. And there will be a hat ticket right up here. You can go ahead and collect that just by, you can like, I don't know, go like this, and then you can collect it like that. Well, that's how you get lantern jingles. Yay!